नमस्कार। आज हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे चैप्टर 22 अनपैकिंग जेंडर। जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी मीन्स डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अगेंस्ट गर्ल्स। Society devalues the work women do by not considering household work as work. Which one of the following is not a traditional work of the woman of the rural woman in India? Domestic maid. Which one of the following is not a gender biased discriminatory action? Sending boys and girls to school for education. Identify the true statement in the Indian context. Gender determination test is banned. Education empowers a woman to recognize her identity. The notion of stereotyping is generally negative and create discrimination. Gender inequality hurts the interest not only of girls but also of boys. Women are venturing into sectors that have been reserved for men so far. Equal sharing of responsibility between women and men is very necessary. Girls are schooled to be soft and obedient. True. The notion of stereotyping is prejudiced. True. Most women work harder than their male counterparts. True. The woman's role as a caregiver and homemaker has not been accorded its rightful place. True. Women's inequality is an international issue. True. Write one example each of stereotypical gender role of boys and girls. Example of stereotypical gender roles of boys. Males are told boys don't cry and are given guns and cars as toys. Example of stereotypical gender role of girls. Girls are given dolls and playhouses as toys so that they can play the traditional female homemaking role. How is stereotyping harmful? Stereotyping is harmful as it creates discrimination that results in equality. It hampers the individual thought. It is prejudiced, irrational, and based on fear of what is different. What are the similarities between rural and urban women condition? Similarities between rural and urban women's condition are both rural and urban women have to do household courses as well as work outside the home. The work of both rural and urban women is not recognized enough. Mention any one type of gender inequality existing world over. Household inequality. There are basic inequalities in gender that are reflected in sharing of housework and childcare. This type gender inequality is existing world over. What is meant by invisibilization of women's labor? Invisibilization of women's labor means labor of women fail to get due recognition or share as compared to men. Why are there differences in value attached to the work of male and female? There are differences in value attached to the work of males and female because of the following reasons. Society and its stereotyping. Because of society and its stereotyping, girls are schooled to be soft and obedient, and boys are told to be tough and dominating. In this way, the society wrongly ingrains the specific roles that girls and boys are supposed to play when they grow up into women and men. Natural differences of male and female. Because of natural difference in male and female, female or woman can only give birth to child and feed till few months, so that woman role considered as caregiver and homemaker. Without gender inequality, the woman empowerment is meaningless. Do you agree with the statement? Yes, I agree with the statement that gender equality is necessary for women empowerment. We can understand it with the help of the following example. Project Priyadarshini. Delhi Tourism has started Project Priyadarshini, where women cab drivers and tourist guide are inducted into the Incredible India campaign. How has education brought awareness among the women and empowered them? Education has brought awareness among the women and empowered them in following ways. Because of education, women get to know about their rights and with the help of knowledge, they are aware about importance of education, gender equality, their power. Women have achieved national and international fame in different fields like politics, sports, fashion, teaching, writing, aeronautics, etc. One empowered woman helped many other women to become like her. How does the gender equality help a democratic country? Men and women are the two pillars on which the whole setup of a society and a nation depend on it. It means that the strength of the society and a democratic country depend upon the quality and strength of these two pillars. Equal sharing of responsibilities and a harmonious partnership between women and men are necessary for the well being of their family as for Indian democracy. Suggest any 4 ways to end gender discrimination. 4 ways to end gender discrimination. Educate female also. Give equal opportunity. Share responsibility. Stop stereotyping about gender. Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos. Thank you. See you soon.